In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the signature generator and then how to apply the image from the signature generator to your signatures in Outlook. So the web page that you're going to is http://101-web:300/test.html. And once you get there, you're going to see this page. If the fonts look different, you might have to refresh. But then we're going to go ahead and put in our name. We'll put in our job title. We'll select our school from the drop-down. And then we'll type in our extension. Once we've got all that entered into these forms, we're going to click Make My Signature. And again, if your font doesn't show up the same way this one does, then you'll just have to click Make My Signature again. Once you've done that, you can right-click and click Save Image As. And then just go ahead and save that resulting file wherever is convenient. In my case, I've got it set to save to the desktop. So I'll go ahead and hit save. You do also want to make sure that it is as a PNG image. That should be the default, but if it is not, then you'll want to make sure that it is changed to a PNG image. And I'll go ahead and hit save. And the download will complete pretty quickly. So now we'll go over to office.com. I've already gone through and logged in. And then I'm going to select Outlook from the list. And in the web version of Outlook, we're going to go up to this gear here. And we're going to type in signature. And the top result is going to be email signature, so we'll click that. Now you can see I've already done mine, but we'll go ahead and pretend that I haven't yet. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my my signature. And then when I want to put in the image, I'll click on Insert Pictures in Line here. It's that one that looks like the mountains. And then we'll just go ahead and find that image that we saved and click Open. Down here we're going to select Automatically Include My Signature on New Messages that I compose. You can also select Automatically Include My Signature on Messages I forward or reply to. I usually choose not to. And then I'll go ahead and hit Save. Now that that's done, I'll go ahead and click New Message. And you can see that my signature has been applied to the email. If you're using Outlook 2016 or Outlook 2019, the process is going to be fairly similar between those two. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on File. Then you'll go to Options. Under Options, what we're looking for is the section called Mail. And then right here where it says Create or Modify Signatures for Messages, we go over to Signatures. And then here we're going to go ahead and change our signature, or if you don't already have a signature, we're going to create a new one. So we'll go ahead and we'll start this one as a new one. Call this one 2019. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and type in the portion of my signature that is text. We'll make it colored appropriately. And then what we're looking for over here is this image that kind of looks like a slideshow and also a mountain. And that's the one that lets us insert a picture. So now we find where we save our picture, which was on the desktop. and then we're going to click Insert, and then we'll click OK. And now when I create a new email, see right here it's got my old signature. So to change that to the new one, I can always click on the signature thing here and click on 2019, and now it switches to the new signature. If you want to select the new one as a default, that's again under File Options, and then we go to Mail, then we go to Signatures. Now we select our new one, and then we also do that under New Messages and Replies/Forwards. You can also leave Replies/Forwards blank if you prefer that. So hopefully that's helped you get your signature in the best shape possible, and thank you for watching.